what I'm actually going to go after is a post-war gentleman's cut down. So what young guys were doing.
Hold on. Wait. You gotta be a gentleman to ride a gentleman's cut down.
I'm gonna work on that part. That's why I'm excited about this, because a lot of the stuff that we think about today, the flat strap trailer fender, the bobtail rear fender,
where'd it come from?
Yeah, this is where it came from. When those guys came back from the war, they were taking front fenders and spinning them around backwards and changing the radius and all the stuff they started doing that we as the custom motorcycle industry today, those have become standards for us. So we're actually going to go through a bunch of that. We're going to do several different fenders as we go through this process, just to show like what the evolution of that was.